Hi everyone, my name is Rachael Ryan and I am one of the professional interns in Toddler 127 for these first 8 weeks. I'm super excited to work virtually with all of our families online and to work with our friends at the CDC currently in person. There's going to be a lot of new learning and fun things happening and I can't wait. Today I'm going to read Strictly No Elephants. I'll do my best to show the pictures. Let's hope that it works. Strictly no elephants. The trouble with having a tiny elephant for a pet is that you never quite fit in. No one else has an elephant. Can you see all the different types of animals in there? Do you recognize any of these pets as maybe one that you have at home or you know somebody that has them? Every day, I take my elephant for a walk. His is a very thoughtful sort of walk. He doesn't like the cracks in the sidewalk much. I always go back and help him over. That's what friends do, lift each other over the cracks. Today, I'm walking my tiny elephant to number 17. It's Pet Club Day and everyone will be there. Come along, there's a good boy. Looks like this guy over here is the one saying that with the dog. And then I coax him the last few feet. It'll be fine. When I look up, there's a sign on the door. I wonder what the sign will say. Strictly no elephants. That means that there are no elephants allowed in this pet club meeting today. My tiny elephant leads me back to the sidewalk. Never minding the cracks. That's what friends do. Brave the scary things for you. Here they are walking in the rain back home. Did you try to go to the pet club meeting too? The girl asks. Yes, I say, but they don't allow elephants. The sign didn't mention skunks, the girl says, but they don't want us to play with them either. They don't know any better, I tell them. Here they are talking. He doesn't stink, the girl adds. No, he doesn't, I agree. What if we start our own club? Come along, I say, making certain that my tiny elephant follows me, because that's what friends do. They don't leave anyone behind. Look at all the different animals. The animals in this photo kind of remind me of animals that we'd see at the zoo or an aquarium. Not really house animals like pets. We can play here, one of our new friends says. All of us. So we paint our own sign. It says, "All are welcome." My tiny elephant will give you directions if you need them. Because that's what friends do. And that's all that I have for this week. I can't wait to see you all again next week. Bye.